Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Vikas. Today we're gonna look at a very special double chocolate brownie cookie. This chocolate cookie is extremely moist, gooey and really fudgy. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy making this cookie as much as I love this cookie. So let's start. In a bowl, I'm taking 160 grams of dark chocolate. This is a 70% dark chocolate. The darker your chocolate, more darker, intense flavor you're gonna get from this cookie. I'm adding 80 grams of unsalted butter and mix this together, flash it in the microwave till this melts completely. Once my butter and chocolate is melted, I'm going to mix it together to make a nice emulsion. Once the emulsion is formed, in another bowl, I'll be taking 100 grams of flour, 8 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 grams of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. With the help of a sieve, we'll sieve all these ingredients together so they are well combined. I've taken 2 eggs and I've broken them down. You can take around 100 grams of whole eggs. To the 100 grams of egg, I'm adding 165 grams of caster sugar. If you want a variation, you can try using brown sugar or muscovado sugar. And that's going to give you more deep, intense flavor. We'll combine the eggs and the sugar. I've also added an vanilla extract to it. You just have to continue mixing the eggs and the sugar together till the sugar is completely dissolved and you get a ribbon stage consistency. Once my egg sugar is well combined, I'll pour the egg sugar mixture over the melted chocolate and butter mixture, and with the help of a whisk, we will combine all these ingredients. Once my butter, chocolate, egg and sugar is well combined, we'll add all our dry ingredients inside, and with the help of a spatula, we're going to use a cut and fold method to incorporate all the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. Do not overmix this. If you don't want any gluten formation, continue mixing it till all the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients are well combined and you get a nice silky smooth batter. We're going to rest this batter for 10 to 15 minutes so that the batter firms up slightly. Once the batter is firm, with the help of a scooper or any spoon, we're going to scoop out some mixtures which will be your cookie. Place them on a baking mat. Once done, sprinkle them with a generous amount of chopped dark chocolate and some sea salt. We're going to flash them in the oven for 10 minutes and bake it at 185 degrees centigrade. Your baking time may vary from 8 to 10 minutes depending on the oven that you have. In my oven, it takes roughly 8 minutes to 10 minutes to bake this cookie at 185 degrees centigrade. While the cookies are baking, I want you to have a look at this video. This video is from School for European Pastry and Culinary Arts. School for European Pastry is a esteemed baking, pastry and culinary school distinguished as one of the finest globally. Our vision is to nurture, equip and empower our students to become tomorrow's industry leaders. Whether you aspire to join the hospitality industry or embark on an entrepreneurial journey, we are committed to providing you with vital training and resources needed to excel in either path. Your growth and success are a source of immense pride for us. Welcome back. My cookie is just baked. We'll allow it to rest on a cooling rack for a while. When the cookies have cooled down completely, we're going to break them and see the texture which is there inside. I'm going to break this cookie and show you the inside. It's so gooey, fudgy and really chocolatey. I hope you love this video and go ahead and try this recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you loved it and if you want to see some more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video once again.